Hi guys, and welcome to the ComeGetMe app, the best personal safety and community safety app available on the iStore. Let me tell you how you can find us. Well, first of all, you can type in ComeGetMe or any other distress terminology that you might think of. This is the icon to go searching for, and you'll find us, I have no doubt. Whether you're lost in your local area or perhaps you're going to need something a little bit more sturdy, ComeGetMe app is going to be something that will certainly help you and your emergency contact find you in a hurry. Let's have a look at the app now. Before you go into the app, I need you to have a good read through the terms and conditions to understand what this thing can do and can't do to assist. When you're ready, agree and continue. In the top right hand corner of the home screen, I want you to touch settings before we use it to set up the app. Fill in the details. In the center, you see the word credits. As part of this free app, there are 3 credits available to you to test it and make sure you're familiar with it before you want to choose to go further. Then you make an in-app purchase of 5 credits for under $1. Let's have a look at the map time in the bottom center and I'll explain this further. When this app is in operational mode, it uses the GPS, which in turn means that your battery can run quickly down. If you have a low battery, choose 60 seconds and every time your GPS pings, it'll use less battery. For this example, I'm going to show you what happens with a map time set at 10 seconds. Let's have a look at the contacts as the icon in the center of the screen. When you're ready to choose your first contact, it'll notify you to choose your first. Press OK. In this example, you'll bring up any of your contacts, choose a person that firstly has an iPhone and secondly has this app downloaded. It will not work if they don't have an iPhone and the app isn't downloaded. Choose one of them and off we go. When you're ready, push save, and then the ComeGetMe app is ready to deploy. When you're ready, we push the icon in the center of the screen and we're off and racing. This is the alerting page. Who do you want to come get you? You choose a contact. And sure enough, Andrew iPad is the one that I've actually selected. When you're ready, let's push done. The next question is, what's the reason to come get me? I push reason. And there are any number of choices in the rolling scroll bar that come up. I'm going to choose one, and when I'm ready, I push done. That is the final step in the ComeGetMe alerting process. We push the icon in the center, and our message is sent immediately to our contact. We're advised of that, and it looks like this until they've received it and accepted it. Now, this is the message that your emergency contact receives. They're told that you're scared and can you come get me please? As soon as they push yes, both GPS devices are turned on in their phone and yours, and this is what is displayed. In your phone, it shows your position and theirs. In their phone, it shows theirs and yours. Every time that you or they now move, you and them will see your position and their position move dynamically on the screen. Every 10 seconds, you'll get an update of their position and yours. So if they move or you move, both of you will be aware of it. So if you have to move away, they will see and they will come to you in your new location until you're joined. When you're within 15 meters of each other, the pins will become one, and with any luck, you're now going to be reunited. As I said, a pretty impressive dynamic display of GPS positioning as a safety tool. Now, all I say is practice, practice, and practice. I give you 3 credits for free as part of this app so you can choose whether this is something you think is worthwhile for you. If it is, select the in-app purchase, grab 5 more credits, and then use it if you need it. For more information on who we are, go and have a look at our website, emergency-sos.com. This is what it looks like. Have a read of who we are if that's what it helps you to decide whether this is something for you. You'll find more details in the App Store. Or we also have a Twitter channel at Distress Alert, all one word. You'll also find us on Facebook under Search and Rescue app. Post your details. Now, as you see, this isn't our first one. We have a more formal app that's available in most countries that alerts search and rescue authorities directly, only for very serious users in distress. So there's the ComeGetMe app. Thanks so much for taking the time to have a look. I hope you never have to use it, but if you do, stay safe and well.